Hello, welcome to our neighborhood.
It is a great day to learn together.
Come on in and join us.
Rose, who is she? I do not know, but Jake looks very interested.
It is a great afternoon, Martin. It really is, Jake. One of the best this week. Jake? Jake, are you still with me there? Yes. Sorry, Martin. I was just thinking.
Did you see that? Oh, I saw it, Emma. And so did you.
Jake, I think she is coming back. What? Really?
Hi, I am Jessica. I just moved to the neighborhood.
Hi, Jessica. Nice to meet you. I am Jake.
Who is that? I have never seen her before.
Well, I have. She moved in last week. Apartment 14.
Jake, I love this neighborhood. It seems so friendly and warm.
It really is. The people here are great.
She is very tall. She has long blonde hair and those eyes.
She looks very confident indeed.
Rose, what does she look like? Describe her. She is tall and slim. She has long, straight blonde hair. She has large blue-green eyes. She is very elegant. And she looks very confident, Emma.
In my opinion, she looks like someone who knows exactly what she wants. Oh, absolutely. Absolutely she does.
Jake, is that your friend over there? The one with the dark hair?
Oh, that is Emma. She is my housemate.
I was not watching. Of course not, Emma. You were just looking in that direction for 15 minutes.
Emma, this is Jessica. She just moved into apartment 14.
Hi, Jessica. Nice to meet you. Emma, Jake has told me so much about you. It is wonderful to finally meet you. Has he? That is interesting.
She looks calm, but she is not calm. No, she is absolutely not calm.
It was so lovely to meet you all. I will see you around the neighborhood.
See you, Jessica. Take care.
Are you okay? She has very long blonde hair.
Jessica seems really nice. It is good to have new neighbors.
Yes, she seems very nice. Emma, you can talk to me. What is going on in there? Nothing. I am fine. She just has very long blonde hair.
Hey, Dan. Hey, Marcus. I met the new neighbor today. Her name is Jessica. She seems really cool. She seems really cool. Really cool.
Jake met a new neighbor. And she seems really cool? Jake!
This should be interesting. What does Emma think?
She is really friendly, Dan. She just moved into the building. Jake, does Emma know you are talking how you are talking like this? I heard everything, Jake. Be careful, my friend. What? I just met a neighbor. That is all. Jake, I am serious. Talk to Emma before things get complicated. Dan, nothing is complicated. We are just neighbors.
Hi, Jake. I brought some cookies as a welcome gift. For you and Emma.
Jessica, that is so kind. Come in, please.
Oh. She is here. You have such a beautiful apartment, Emma. You both do.
Thank you, Jessica. That is very kind.
I am just watering these plants. And I am just checking this leaf. We are both just minding our own business.
Jake, can we talk?
Of course. What is up?
I need to be honest with you. Can we really talk?
Emma, of course. I am listening. What is on your mind?
I need to tell you something. And I need you to really hear me.
I hear you, Emma. Tell me.
Jake, when I saw you with Jessica today, I felt something I did not expect. And I think you should know that.
Emma, I do not know what to say. I need a moment.
Take your time. I am not going anywhere.
Emma, I hear you. And I understand. I think we need to talk about this properly. Dan always texts at 7 in the morning. He wants to know everything. Of course he does. Jake, what happened? Tell me everything. Start from the beginning. Dan, you texted me at 7 a.m. Jake, Emma was brave to say that. Do not take that lightly.
I know, Marcus. I know.
Emma, let us practice describing people in English today.
Good idea. I have something specific in mind, actually.
The first key phrase, what does she look like? What does she look like? Say it with me. Use she has for features. She has long blonde hair. Use she is for appearance. She is tall and elegant.
She has long, straight blonde hair and blue-green eyes,
She is tall.
and very elegant.
The third phrase, she looks. She looks confident. She looks friendly. She looks elegant.
She looks very confident. She looks elegant and friendly.
To give your opinion, say this. In my opinion, she looks very kind. In my opinion. Say it with me.
In my opinion, she seems very confident. And in my opinion, she looks very elegant.
The most important phrase today, can we talk?
Can we talk?
Say it slowly. Can we talk?
Can we talk? I need to tell you something. I need you to really hear me. I hear you. I feel like. Use this to express your feelings. I feel like something has changed.
I feel like we need to talk. I feel like something is different. Say it with me.
Can I be honest? Use this before something important.
Can I be honest?
Can I be honest? I need to tell you something.
Can I be honest? I think we need to talk.
Can I be honest?
Say it with me.
I understand how you feel. Use this to show you are listening. I understand how you feel. Say it slowly.
I understand how you feel. I understand how you feel. Now you say it.
That is not what I meant. Use this to clarify. That is not what I meant. Let me explain.
What does she look like? What does she look like? Now you say it.
Question for you. What does Jessica look like?
Use she has, she is, she looks. Tell us in the comments. Question 2. When do you use can we talk?
When you need to have an important conversation. Can we talk? Final question. Your friend needs to talk. What do you say?
I understand how you feel. Can I be honest? I feel like I am here for you.
He talked to her. Jake actually talked to her. I told him first, Dan.
I saw them talking last night. Really talking. It looked very serious. Good. It was about time.
Emma, thank you for being honest with me.
Thank you for listening, Jake.
Good afternoon, Jake. Good afternoon, Emma. Good afternoon, Martin. Today we learned, what does she look like? She has, she is, she looks, and, in my opinion.
And can we talk? I feel like, can I be honest? I understand how you feel. That is not what I meant. Say it with us. What does she look like? She has, in my opinion. Can we talk? I feel like, can I be honest?
I understand how you feel. Say it. That is not what I meant. Say it with me. Now it is your turn. Describe someone you know in the comments.
Use today's phrases. We read every single comment.
If this episode helped you, please share it with your family and friends.
Help them speak better English too. Sharing is caring.
Give us a big like.
And subscribe to Mr. English Channel Academy. Click the bell for episode 6.
We will see you in episode 6, and we will be watching everything. We always are.
See you in episode 6. We will be there. Of course we will. Keep learning, keep growing. You are doing great.
Thank you so much for watching episode 5. We will see you in episode 6.
Keep learning. Keep growing. You are doing amazing.